Hi, today I'm going to show you what is there inside a spin mop. This is a spin mop. This is how it goes inside. The handle is telescopic. One pipe is going inside the other. One is a pipe of smaller diameter and that goes inside the pipe of bigger diameter. So that's how the mop works. But I was always interested to know what are the things inside. How does it really work? So that I'm going to show you today. I have detached the different parts. So this is the upper handle and this part is the one which cleans the floor, and this is the telescopic extension or the main part of the handle, not the extension but the main part of the handle. See, this is how it goes inside. So see how easily it goes inside. Now here this is locked, and on the other side also this also will be locked. So it's locked like that and it goes inside. Now how does it work? So that I wanted to know. So what I did was that, and then another thing was there, that my mop that stopped working. So that's why I wanted to see whether I could repair it in any way possible. So this is what I got. This is the pipe. This one is the smaller pipe and the bigger one, and that's the lock. So what I did was I just simply cut open the lock. I heated a knife and then cut it through. So the lock usually is placed like this. See, this is how the lock is placed. So just remove that to see what is there inside, and then one pipe would go inside the other pipe like this. Yes, and these two pipes will be connected by this rod. So this is what is left. There were many plastic joints were there. Those joints I just simply burned to remove the pipe, and this washer like thing that I got from the inside. I don't know, it looks like a gear or a washer, and it looks like it's made of rubber. In fact, in the mop that this mop which stopped working, I think the problem was with this thing. It somehow stopped working. Exactly how, that I do not know. So these are the different parts of the mop when you dismantle that. So see, you can see the burn marks here. See, it's all dark because the seal, the plastic seal which was placed here. Let me show you a new one, new mop. Yeah, this plastic seal that I have to remove. There was no other way to remove it, so that's why I burned it, and these are the burn marks. So I burned and removed that. Now there is nothing inside. Yeah, and another seal was there placed on this side. Yes, this part, I think this part, there was another seal that also I removed, and then this is what is left of the mop. So you can see, and there is no way you can repair the mop because everything is sealed and you cannot dismantle it and again reassemble it. And there's no problem with rusting, as this thing looks good. There is no rust. The only problem was with this gear like washer thing or whatever it is, and that's why the mop stopped working. So this is what you get inside the mop when you dismantle it. Thank you. Yes, this is how I burned it to remove the plastic. The plastic was somehow molded with the metal part, and there was no way that I could remove it without burning it. In fact, uh, initially I tried to heat the metal so that I could loosen the plastic and take it out, but then that was not possible and the plastic caught fire. And then I thought that let it burn, let me see what is there inside, because my purpose was to look inside to see whether it can be repaired or not. But in doing so, the thing just had to be, in a way dissected, and now it cannot be put back. The company made it like that you cannot reuse it, the parts cannot be replaced, and you just have to use it, and then when it stops working you just throw it away. The other parts, the pipes and the metal part, they are perfectly okay. Even the mop that is used for cleaning, that is also perfectly okay. The only thing is that the gear mechanism inside, something was wrong with that. It was broken, and that's why it stopped spinning. So if that could be replaced, then the mop would be as good as new. But that could not be done. There was no way it could be done because everything was tightly sealed by machines, and that is not something very nice, because that way I just have to throw away this thing, and it adds to the waste, adds to the garbage. And the company should do something so that the mop can be, the parts, particularly the parts of the mop which stop working, those can be replaced. That way it would not become garbage in just 6 or 7 months of normal use. So this is the twisting rod, and this is the gear like thing which controlled the whole mechanism. It didn't even get properly burned. I don't know what it is made of, but it feels rubbery. Thank you.